Before they can become cabbies, all London taxi drivers must pass the knowledge. This means getting on a moped and learning 400 routes through London and acquiring a detailed knowledge of 25,000 streets. At the Institute of Neurology in London, Dr. Eleanor Maguire decided to see what effect this experience might be having on the brain.
What we did was we got a load of the taxi drivers in and scanned their brains using magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI scans. And we found, looking at the whole brain, that there was only one difference between the taxi drivers and the what we call control subjects. The taxi drivers had more grey matter in a particular part of the brain that is thought to be involved in navigation, and that's called the hippocampus. So what I'm showing you here are some MRI scans. This one here shows the brain taken from a side view, and the red box just outlines exactly where the hippocampus is. It's this long grey structure here.
And it's in this grey structure that new connections between brain cells are being formed. These new connections then cause the hippocampus to grow in size.
We believe the taxi drivers have larger hippocampi because the amount of spatial information they're required to take in is so great that it's actually caused structural changes in their brains. We think that the grey matter there has grown, if you like, to accommodate this very large map of London. I think the take-home message that a lot of them took was that, you know, part of their brain was bigger, and that's probably what they suspected all along.
Of course, we're not aware of our brain forging new connections every waking moment. We're only aware that they